In this video, I'll show you two powerful methods to add Chrome extensions the right way. Not just the basic drag and drop stuff that'll help you install, manage, and even load extensions from outside the Chrome Web Store, all safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. At the top right corner, click the three-dot menu, then go to Extensions, and choose Manage Extensions. This is the control center for all your installed extensions. Now, click the hamburger icon in the top left corner and select Open Chrome Web Store. This opens the official library of all verified extensions. Here's where most people stop, but let's go deeper. At the top left in the Search Extensions box, type the name of what you want, for example, Grammarly, uBlock Origin, or Dark Reader. Once it appears, click on it and press Add to Chrome. When Chrome asks for permission, review them carefully. Click Add Extension and wait a few seconds for it to install. Once it's added, click the puzzle icon on the top toolbar. Then pin your new extension by clicking the pin icon next to it. This makes it visible and accessible directly from your toolbar. This setup keeps your browser optimized while giving you total control. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more advanced tech guides. Thanks for watching.